Hey guys, it's your Chef Reyes again. Today I'm going to be making a chimichurri sauce, so let's get into it. I'm going to be chopping up some garlic cloves here and adding them to the blender. Not quite sure how everybody else does it because I heard there was so many variations of this chimichurri sauce, so hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think down in the comments. And yeah, let's get into it. Now I'm going to chop up some cilantro to put in there as well. Alright, now I'm going to put in there a little bit of kosher salt, I'm just eyeballing it really. I'm going to put some coriander in it, about a teaspoon. There we go. Not too bad. Then I'm going to put some ground cumin in it. Also about a teaspoon. Nothing too crazy. Okay. We're going to put some lemon juice. Yep, lemon juice. There we go. Have an excess of that. A little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Not too much. About a teaspoon should do it. And now, for my basil leaves, we're going to chop these up as well. I don't know who else. Actually, I'm going to wash them up first. That should be good. Well, now, try to do this once more, bunching them up together and giving them another quick run through. There we go. And the last ingredient. It's parsley. I'm gonna bunch this up too. I pre-cleaned it, guys, so. And this will drop in there. No. There we go. I'm not trying to make a small amount. I'm actually trying to make save some for later. So, all right, guys, our chimichurri sauce is done. And from the results, let's grab a little. Wow, what a zoom! Did not expect it to come out like this. Join me. I'm making another sauce. That one is also traditional. I know the chimichurri sauce is Argentinian, so and it has its story behind it. But I'm making another sauce which is Hmong chili sauce. So join me next time. Please like and subscribe my channel at Chef Reyes on YouTube, and I'll see you then. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. Love ya.